Hello mga idol, this is Sally and welcome to my Sally Mix vlog. For today's video, I'm busy again preparing dinner for, we have 2 guests for dinner. So I have to bake my chicken leg, 2 pieces of chicken leg. Yan. I just add some to my chicken leg. I just add some salt, pepper, and honey. I put some ginger and garlic because I don't have ginger powder and garlic powder, so I just chop it. And I add some potatoes. I have 3 pieces thick slice of salmon here. This salmon, this is for the fish. I'm going to prepare the vegetables. I have spinach also here, and broccoli, cauliflower, and some tempura. This is for dinner. This is delicious. After frying, I just add some lemon or calamansi. This is very nice. Ito yung broccoli. Lagyan ko ng bawang. Walang matampon. Tapos lagyan ko ng asin and olive oil. Yan na yan. Ganyan. Yan na yung broccoli ko. Mamaya ako lalabas para hindi masyadong lumit. Yan naman yung tempura ko. Subukan natin. Kumain ng isa. Mainit kasi. Masarap siya. Ang salmon natin. Lagyan natin ng cornstarch para hindi siya dumikit. Pag-prino ito. At saka hindi siya mababasag. Ayan na yung chicken ko. Oh. Diba? Chicken. Crispy yung skin niya. Crispy. Ayan, masarap. Ayan na yung salmon. Kasi ng tulang. Kasi nilulong ko. Pumuputok-putok. Ito lang ang pagkikisa ng gulay. Bawang. Tapos ilagay ko na yung gulay. Halo-haloin mo lang yan. Tapos na yan. Lagyan ko lang ng isang saritang asin. Tapos halo-haloin. Takpan sandali. Ito na yan. Thanks for watching. Ito na for dinner. Ayan yung salmon, broccoli, cauliflower with tempura, spinach. Ayan. Ayan naman ang baked chicken leg with potatoes. Nilagyan ko kasi ng honey. Ayan, magaling na ito. Potato, important result. Masarap ito, potato. Dessert as rice replacement. Ubusin lang kasama ko ito. Hindi marunong magtira yung kasama ko. Pag nahuli ka sa pagkain, kainin niya lahat. Yung potato. Now I have to cut the chicken and put on the top. I just use scissors to cut. Masarap yung balat, guys. Malutong. Itong luto. I can't the skin because they don't eat skin. Chinese don't eat skin. Only Filipino. Lipit na nahulog. Dami oh. 2 chicken legs. Tapos madulas. Hindi ko naiipit. Yes, there. Kainin ko. Gusto ko rin ako. Sarap. Sarap.